Hello, my beautiful family. Welcome back to our kitchen. I hope you're all having a blessed and beautiful day. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Claudia, and I invite you to hit that subscribe button so you too can be part of our family. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious Carlota de limón. It's basically a no-bake lime pie. It's so creamy, super delicious, so refreshing, and super easy to make. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious dessert, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so first we're going to begin by squeezing the juice of 2 lemons. Just make sure that your lemons and limes are very juicy. And you want to get a total of 3/4 of a cup of juice. Okay, we're going to squeeze about 6 limes. Just make sure that they're nice and juicy. So once we have 3/4 of a cup of lime and lemon juice, now we are ready to make our mixture. To make our mixture, in a blender cup, we're going to add 8 ounces of cream cheese. Make sure that it is at room temperature. 1 can of evaporated milk. 1 can of media crema. 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Make sure you get every drop. One teaspoon of Mexican vanilla blend. And our lemon lime juice. And now we're going to blend on the lowest setting. And this is just going to help so that the mixture don't get air bubbles. Okay, so once our mixture is nice and smooth, now we are ready to put our Carlota together. Okay, to put our Carlota together, we're going to grab our baking dish. You can use a baking dish or any container that you have. We're going to add a thin layer of our mixture. I'm just going to make sure that it's nice and even. And now we're going to grab our Galletas Marias. These are Mexican cookies. We're going to place them on top of our mixture. And if they don't fit, just break them. Just make them fit. So I'm just going to break one of the cookies, just to make it fit right there. Now we're going to add more mixture. Even it out. Okay, and I'm going to put a whole cookie where I use half of the cookie. So we're just going to repeat the same process. Okay, break another cookie. Put it at the end. Okay, now we're going to repeat the same process until we no longer have any more of our delicious filling. Okay, so for our last layer, we're just going to add the rest of our mixture. Make sure you grab everything. Okay, now we're just going to even it out. Okay, so once we have our Carlota all nice and ready, now we're just going to top it with some cookies. And I'm just going to break them. And this is all optional. If you want to leave it like that, then you can go ahead and do that. I'm just using the leftover cookies that I had. Okay, and I'm also going to add a little bit of lime zest. Okay, so now we're going to cover it. And now we're going to place it in a refrigerator and allow it to set overnight or for at least 6 hours. Okay, so I made this one last night, so now we are ready to cut. Okay, so now we're ready to cut and serve. And you cut it how you will cut a cake. And you cut it as big as you want. Just like that. And you can serve it with some strawberries, peaches, or just like that. But now we are ready to enjoy our delicious Carlota. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. And you know, most of the ingredients you already have in your cabinet. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, it's super delicious. It's so creamy. It's not too sweet. You could taste the lime. It's just the best. And the cookies are just the best combination. Guarantee you, everyone will enjoy. Alrighty guys, and there you have it at home. Make a super easy and delicious Carlota de Limón. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family. And if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.